What happens in week 1 when you hire me? People ask me what I actually do. Here's exactly what happens in the first 7 days. Days 1 to 2, I pull every estimate from the last 45 to 60 days. I score each one on follow-up speed, message quality, and outcome. You get a complete audit document showing exactly where your revenue went and why. Day 3, I rewrite your follow-up templates, one for text, one for email. Both sound like you, not a form letter. I also identify 2 to 3 old estimates that may still be recoverable and write the exact message to send today. Days 4 to 5, I build your tracking sheet, 5 columns. Your office coordinator or admin can manage it. In 10 minutes every Monday morning. No software required. Days 6 to 7, we review everything together. I walk you through the system, answer every question, and make sure it's built to actually be used. By end of week 1, you have a scored audit, rewritten templates, a working tracking system, and a short list of recovery targets from your existing pipeline. No subscription, no monthly retainer, unless you want continued support. No upsells, no red tape. You quoted the work. I help you close it. If you're a contractor or service business in DFW, and this is what you've been missing, DM me or visit noredtapeguy.com. I do this work myself. No team, no handoffs, no runaround. Spots are limited because of that. And with that, more to come.